Okay, so I'm really excited to open my One Simple Wreath. The wreath that I purchased is the low profile wreath that's 24 inches. What makes it low profile is it doesn't have the classic grapevine on the back, like attached to a grapevine. However, it's still just as full. If you don't want to stick any accessories, so you could, these are where your accessories are mounted. But it looks great if you look at it without. You just can move your leaves over a little bit and cover up your mounting parts. And voila, it's done. Look how awesome and beautiful that is. And how easy it went on. And then when Christmas is over, and then it's all ready for winter. And then you can take it all off when your winter's all done, and you can just have it do your spring